success stories on Amazon with some of our clients. We have some that have been people who resell other people's items, including one person that was just a bartender, and he had really not a lot of education as far as like going to a fancy college or having a lot of extensive business. But he was able to build his Amazon business because of the tools that Amazon provides us into a $4 to $5 million revenue stream for himself. We have had companies that have created their own products that they couldn't get a sales rep. They couldn't get those sales at trade shows, but they started working with us and we were able to help them get into those brick and mortar stores because once they had really great sales on Amazon, we were able to move them from being almost non-existent on Amazon to being in the top 3% in their category. So it really comes down to making sure that when you're looking at trying to build success on Amazon, do you have access to the right tools? Are you following the right people? And are you making sure that you're working with people that have a proven track record of success? Amazon can be incredibly frustrating, and so you have to make sure you're willing to stay the course.